How to sync progress in the Encode app. If you have been using the Encode application and wondering on how to sync your progress, or simply want to connect your progress with some IDs that you have got, then don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do this, so let's get started. First of all, open the Encode application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Then here you can find settings option at the top right here, then select it. Then scroll down and here you can find sync progress right here. Now you can simply sign in with the Google or sign in with your Apple ID. Now simply choose one of these just like this and tap on to continue. And now you can see your progress has been synced with your Apple ID right here. And that's it. This is how you can sync your progress in the Encode app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.